Some advanced charting options, or how you can create your own custom charts, not only viewing the default time series as you normally get presented. Let me give you an example. I'm looking into recurring revenue and we selected MRR now. As always, by default, we have months as x-axis, so it's the time series. But what if I instead want to have a multi-dimensional chart? So not only having the months as x-axis, but I want to compare two dimensions. We can first of all stack these together. I haven't changed the x-axis, but what if I do? So let's change, and instead of year month, I will change to country. So what happened now was I changed the x-axis and we have charts in two dimensions. It's charge model and country. So charge model is what my drill down is starting at, and then x-axis specified as country. So what happened when I clicked this one is that since we removed the time dimension, we also change the date range slider to a single month. I have two dimensions now, so I can analyze. Now I have filter on two countries. We can add some more just to see how it works. So here, for example, now I can see by country and stacked by charge model in the same chart for one specific month. So I can change the month by moving the slider. And also below I can see in tabular format same data. And then I can click side by side. And if I want to go back to the default time series, I click these three dots and the blue link says set x-axis to year month to view a time series. So I can either click here, a year month, or I can click the blue link. So now we're back on the time series, and as you can see, the date range slider is back to range instead of a single month. And also if I want to go back to the default displaying the dimension values in parallel next to each other, I disable this toggle stacked bar. Now these are my three different values for charge model and presented in one chart each, or stacked, and you will have them together. And once again, change the x-axis to country. Now we have a two-dimensional chart. And finally, if you want to go back to default, remember to click these three dots, and then there we are again.